ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 28. Last part completed logarithmic differentiation, 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks total completed. Substitution method also be completed. Today discuss one more method, that is parametric differentiation method. In this parametric differentiation method, x comma y values, two functions are given. Suppose if x is equal to function in terms of t, f of t is given, and y is equal to g of t is given, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, or f dash of t by g dash of t by f dash of t. You can write anyone. This is a formula of parametric differentiation method. In this parametric differentiation method, two functions are given. First function in terms of t, second function also be in terms of t. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. That is also written as g dash t by f dash of t. Similarly, function in terms of z, function in terms of z, x function in terms of z, y also be in terms of z. Both x comma y functions are similar functions. Only in this parametric method can be applicable, otherwise impossible. Okay students, this is the formula of the parametric method. Next, problems of in this parametric method. Find dy by dx for the following functions. Here first x value is given. X is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t is given. This function in terms of t, this is also be in terms of t. First of all, you can write formula. If x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt by dx by dt, this can be written as g dash of t by f dash of t. You can write this formula, you get 1 mark in annual examination. In this formula, first we have to take x value. X is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. After that we can find dx by dt. This function derivative with respect to x, not with respect to t only. This function in terms of t, then derivative also be you can write in terms of t. That's why you can write d by dt of x is equal to 3 into d by dt of cos t. Here 3 can be constant common, cos t derivative, minus 2 common, d by dt of cos cube t. After that you can write this one is dx by dt equal to 3 into cos t derivative is what? Cos t derivative is minus sin t. With respect to t, t derivative is 1, that is you cannot write. That's why minus 2 into, this is you are going to use u power n into 3 into cos power 3 minus 1t into d by dt of cos t. Here you can use u power n. U value is cos t, n value is 3. 3 into cos t whole power 3 minus 1 into derivative of cos t. After that, dx by dt equal to minus 3 sin t minus 2 3s are 6 cos square t into cos t derivative is what? Cos t derivative is minus sin t. After that, we can write minus 3 sin t minus into minus plus 6 sin t into cos square t. 6 sin t into cos square t. After that, we can write dx by dt equal to in these two terms, which one is common? In these two terms, here 3 is there, 3 2 6 is there, 3 is common, sin t is common. You can common in these two terms, 3 sin t get common. You get first you can get here 3 sin t common, here 2 into cos square t is there, 2 into cos square t minus 1. Once I can explain student here, we can write 3 2 6 sin t into cos square t is there. 3 sin t into minus 1, you can write minus 3 sin t. This is dx by dt. You know that 2 cos square t minus 1 by the formula of the cos 2a. What is the formula of cos 2a? 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square t minus 1, you can write cos 2t. 3 sin t into cos 2t. You can write formula is equation 1. This is equation 2. dx by dt completed. After that, we have to take y. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Y is equal to what? 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Once again, derivative with respect to t on both sides. d by dt of y equal to 3 get common, d by dt of sin t minus 2 get common, d by dt of sin cube t. After that, we can write dy by dt equal to 3 into sin t derivative directly you can write cos t. Here you can use u power n formula, n into 3 into sin t whole power 2 minus 1 into d by dt of sin t. After that, you can write dy by dt is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 3 is 6 sin t 3 power 3 minus 1 nothing but sin square t into sin t derivative is cos t. In this two term, which one is common? 3 is common, cos t is common. You get common here. dy by dt is equal to 3 cos t get common. Remaining here 1 is there. Here minus 2 sin square t is there. 3 cos t into 1 3 cos t. 3 2 is 6 cos t into sin square t. This 1 minus 2 sin square t value, 2 cos square t minus 1 value cos 2t. Similarly, 1 minus 2 sin square t value is 1 second is there, that is also be cos 2t by the formula of cos 2a. Cos 2a formula in terms of cos is there, in terms of sin is there, in terms of cos and sin, in terms of cos this formula, in terms of sin is this formula. You can write this is equation number 3. Observe that student, understood or not problem? First you can write formula. In this formula, dy by dx equal to what? dy by dt by dx by dt. First you can find the dy by dt. After that you can find dx by dt. Anyone that is your use. First you have to take x value in terms of t. First you can find the dx by dt with respect to t in this way. Similarly, next you can write y value. After that derivative on both sides dy by dt. These two values, equation 2 and 3 substituted in equation 1. What is the one here? 1 equal to dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt. What is the value of dy by dt? dy by dt value is 3 cos t into cos 2t by 3 cos t into cos 2t by dx by dt value 3 sin t into cos 2t. Here cos 2t get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. You get the dy by dx value is cos t by sin t. What is the value of cos t by sin t? Cos t. This is the dy by dx by using parametric differentiation method. Which method? Parametric differentiation method. You can solve in this model. This is very important 4 marks problem in IB examination in this parametric differentiation method. Next problem is in this model. X is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. Y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Then find the dy by dx. First we can write formula. If x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t form, then dy by dx is equal to, what is that formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. This one is a formula. You can write this formula. You can write equation 1. You get this formula 1 mark. First you have to take x. X is equal to what? A into cos t plus t sin t. X is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. Derivative on both sides with respect to t. Then you get d by dt of x is equal to a get common. A is constant. First derivative this function d by dt of cos t plus second derivative second function, that is d by dt of t sin t. Here dx by dt is written as dx by dt is equal to a into what is the derivative of cos t? Cos t derivative is minus sin t. Plus you can use here uv formula. What is that formula of uv? uv formula u into t into derivative of sin t d by dt of sin t plus sin t into d by dt of t. This is the formula of u into v integration, here differentiation uv formula. In this formula, dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t plus t into sin t derivative is what? Sin t derivative is cos t plus sin t into t derivative is 1. This derivative with respect to t only here, with respect to t only here, with respect to x not here, with respect to t. That's why sin t derivative is cos t and t derivative is, you can write 1. After that, sin t into 1, you get sin t. Sin t minus sin t plus sin t minus sin t get cancelled. Remaining what you get? Dx by dt equal to a into t into cos t. You can write this is equation number 2. Here, in this formula, dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt formula, equation 1, you get dx by dt. After that, you have to take y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Derivative on both sides with respect to t. D by dt of y equal to a get common. D by dt of sin t minus d by dt of t cos t. You can write a common separated derivative each term. After that, dy by dt is equal to a into sin t derivative cos t minus, you can use uv formula. What is that formula uv? U into t into derivative of cos t plus cos t into derivative of t with respect to t only here, with respect to t only. That's why you can write a into cos t minus t into cos t derivative minus sin t minus into plus minus cos t into t derivative is 1. Cos t into 1 you get cos t. Here minus cos t is there, plus cos t is there, both are cancelled. Remaining a into minus plus t sin t. This is the d by dt value. Suppose this is, you have to take equation 3. In equation 2, dx by dt, equation 3, dy by dt, these two, equation 2 and 3 substituted in equation 1. 1 implies, what is that 1? dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to, dy by dt nothing but at into sin t by dx by dt nothing but at into cos t. Here at get cancelled. Remaining what here? D by dx is equal to sin t by cos t. Sin by cos you can write what? Sin by cos you can write tan t. This is the answer of in this function. Two function derivative d by dx is what here? Tan t. In this model, these two problems are very important problem. These models you get parametric differentiation methods. Assignment problems or homework problems of in this model is, first problem, x is equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube, y is equal to 3at square by 1 plus t cube. Here we can write formula. What is that formula? If x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. This is the formula of the in this parametric method. First we have to take this function derivative with respect to t, you get dx by dt. Here you can use u by v formula. What is that formula? d by dx of u by v formula is there. What is that formula? v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole by v square. In this dx by dt you can write u value is 380, v value is 1 plus t cube. 1 derivative 0, t cube derivative 3t square. Here 380, 3a get common, t derivative 1. Once again with respect to t, y function dy by dt is equal to 1 plus t cube derivative. This is also you can use u by v. This formula using with respect to x with respect to t and y with respect to t, both function you can use u by v formula. Second one is x is equal to a cos cube theta y is equal to a sin cube theta. Here u power n formula can use. What is that formula u power n? U power n formula is n into u power n minus 1 into d by dx of u. You can use this formula first function and second function, both function. After that you can use formula. What is that formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. In this formula, first you can find dx by dt, after that you can find dy by dt, after that these two values substituted in dy by dx, you get dy by dx value. This is the parametric differentiation method. In this method, previous two problems are repeated problem in IP examination.